September of 2021, I was able to visit Glacier National Park for the first time. It's a park I'd wanted to visit for a long time, and I finally had the opportunity to do so. The trip itself was short and a little hectic since we were traveling with two little ones, but I still managed to make some time for photography and did my best to capture the essence of the park, even though it'd be an abbreviated version. Welcome back. So we made it to Glacier today, and we just got to our campsite not that long ago, kind of set up camp, got the kids situated. This video might be a little disjointed just because I don't have all the opportunity in the world to film just because of the kids and everything, but yeah, I'm going to do my best and hopefully put together something meaningful. This place is incredible. I understand why so many people come here. It's pretty crowded today. It's Labor Day, so hopefully tomorrow crowds kind of taper out a little bit. It's getting around to the time where they start shutting things down, so we got here kind of just in time. So yeah, and we're also getting some early fall color here, which is a real treat because it's just like extra gorgeous with all like the yellows and some oranges and reds kind of poking through all the green foliage. So we'll see what kind of compositions I can get here. We went along the Going to the Sun road today, and I got some pretty amazing like epic lighting just because of the clouds and stuff today through the valley, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. And I was just pulling over to the side of the road, so we'll see what kind of things I can get when I'm just walking through the forest and stuff. Got my bear spray right there just in case, but I'm just kind of going on a little nature walk right now, nothing too super crazy. See if there's anything that kind of pokes out at me. Otherwise I'm going to be here for a few days before we head to Yellowstone on the next leg of the trip. So we hopefully I'll be able to get something nice, and if not, that's okay because I already got a few good compositions, I think, and we'll kind of see what else happens. But right now it's just an amazing place, and it's just incredible to be out here. So thanks for watching. I was able to get a few compositions my first day there, but didn't film as much due to the amount of people. You'll notice there's less film of me taking photos and more quiet nature scenes in this video because I get a little camera shy when there are a bunch of people around, and I also don't want to disturb their experience of nature. That being said, we settled in for the night and made sure all of our food was locked up due to the amount of active grizzlies in the area. Alright, we're out in the Many Glacier area today. I don't know if I'm going to find anything right now. It's kind of The light's getting kind of harsh. It's around like 10 or so in the morning. Takes a little while to get the kids going, but we'll see if I find any good compositions out here. Otherwise, it's an incredible day just to be hiking. Really nice shade here, real cool breeze, and the light coming through the trees is really nice. So maybe I might get some. We'll see. All right, made it up to, I think it's the upper Grinnell Lake or Grinnell Lake. I think the upper one's actually a little bit further, but I don't know if I'm gonna get any good compositions out here. It's just been a little bit of a slog with the kiddos, but that's okay. It's the whole point we're out here. But just the views out here are incredible. If you can take a look behind me, it's just amazing. Pretty good weather, even though it's sunny, a little hot. We got a nice breeze coming through. Might be messing up my audio a little bit, we'll see. But just take a look at that. Absolutely amazing out here. We'll see if I come away with anything. This was the longest day in terms of hiking for the entire trip. We hiked a total of 5 or 6 miles, and for 2 little kids, that was a pretty big day with only a minimal amount of meltdowns. Needless to say, they killed it. I only got around 2 compositions this day due to, well, being a dad, and that will always take priority. However, I did get a few that I was pretty happy with on this outing. Our trip ended the next day and we started to make our way towards Yellowstone. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a little different from my normal style since I was managing quite a bit on this trip with my wife, but I hope you enjoyed the compositions I came away with, and I'm already working on my Yellowstone video. As always, thanks for watching, and if you liked the video and want to be notified when my Yellowstone one comes out, please like the video, leave a comment with your favorite photo from the trip, and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me out the most, and I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.